Adam was a quiet man. He lived in a small town with narrow streets and slow days. Every morning, he woke up early and sat on his bed for a few moments. He looked at his hands and took a deep breath. His room was simple and clean. There was a bed, a chair, and a small table. Nothing more. Adam liked simple things. But inside him, life was not simple. Inside his heart, he carried something heavy. No one could see it. No one knew about it. It was his invisible burden. Adam put on his old jacket and went outside. The air was cool, and the sky was pale. People walked past him. Some talked. Some laughed. Some looked busy. Adam walked slowly. He looked calm, but inside he felt tired. The invisible burden was with him. It was not a pain in the body. It was a weight in the heart. He did not know how to explain it. He only knew it never left him. He worked in a small office near the road. He sat at his desk and turned on his computer. His work was easy, but his mind was always full. He read words on the screen, but his thoughts went far away. He remembered many moments from his life. Moments when he wanted to speak, but stayed quiet. Moments when he wanted help, but asked for nothing. Each moment added a little weight to his burden. At lunchtime, Adam ate alone. He sat on a bench outside and ate simple food. He watched people pass by. Some sat together and talked. Adam listened to their voices, but did not join them. He felt different. Not better. Not worse. Just different. He thought, everyone has problems. So he kept his own inside. The burden grew quietly, like a shadow that follows you in the sun. After work, Adam took the bus home. The bus was full, but very quiet. People looked at their phones. Some looked tired. Adam held the pole and stood near the door. The bus moved slowly. With every stop, more people came and left. The burden stayed. Adam felt it on his shoulders, even though nothing was there. At home, Adam cooked a small meal. He ate slowly and washed the dishes. Then he sat near the window. The street light turned on. The road was calm. He liked the night. At night, no one expected him to smile or talk. He could just be quiet. But in the quiet, the burden spoke louder. It reminded him of all the feelings he never shared. Adam often thought about his past. He remembered being a child who listened more than he spoke. When he was sad, he stayed silent. When he was afraid, he smiled. People said he was strong. Adam believed them. He learned that strength meant carrying everything alone. Over time, this idea became his burden. Heavy, silent, and invisible. One evening, something small changed. On his way home, Adam saw an old man sitting on the roadside. The man looked tired. His hand shook a little. Adam stopped for a moment. He did not know why. He asked, "Are you okay?" The old man looked up and smiled. He said, "I am tired, but talking helps." Adam sat beside him. They talked for a few minutes. The old man spoke about his life. He spoke about loss, fear, and hope. Adam listened quietly. Then, without planning, Adam spoke too. He spoke slowly and softly. He did not say everything. He said only a little. But even that little felt new. When Adam stood up to leave, his chest felt lighter. That night, Adam slept better. The burden did not leave, but it felt different. Not as heavy. Not as sharp. He woke up with the same sky and the same room, but something inside had moved. He understood one thing. Silence is not always strength. Sometimes, sharing is strength too. The next days were still normal. Adam went to work. He took the bus. He ate alone. But now, he noticed small things. A kind smile. A warm word. A quiet moment of peace. Sometimes, he spoke a little more. Sometimes, he stayed quiet. Both felt okay. The burden was still there, but it did not control him. One day, a coworker asked Adam, "How are you?" Adam paused. Usually, he said, "I am fine." This time, he said, "I am a little tired." The coworker nodded and said, "Me too." They shared a small smile. It was a simple moment, but it mattered. Adam felt seen, just a little. Adam learned that everyone carries something invisible. Some burdens are big. Some are small. Some are old. Some are new. He learned he was not alone, even when he felt alone. This thought gave him comfort. His burden did not disappear, but it became easier to carry. In the end, Adam was still a quiet man. He still liked simple days and calm nights. But now, he knew one truth. A burden shared becomes lighter. A heart that opens finds space to breathe. Adam walked forward with his invisible burden, not as a weight, but as a part of his story.